Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We multiply s and s on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one because we still have s squared, so we put number a go to the left. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. We will have 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we will change by du over 2. This one we change by u. S squared we change by u minus a. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over u minus a, capital B over u squared, capital C over u. Next, we do common denominator. So capital A we multiply by u squared, capital B multiply by u minus a, capital C multiply by u and u minus a. This one we have same this one in here. Next, we need to expand. So we need to arrange based on the term of u. About u squared, we have a plus c. About u, we have b minus ac. About nothing, we have negative ap. If we look about coefficient, we see that we have only 1 over 2. That means negative ap equals to 1 over 2. This one and this one equal to number 0 because we don't have u and u squared in here. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solution of ABC. So we will have 8. That's about 1 over 128. B equals to negative 1 over 16. C equals to negative 1 over 128. So we put ABC in here. So A that's about 1 over 128. B that's about negative 1 over 16. C that's about negative 1 over 128. And now we can get the final answer. This one is about 1 over 128 ln of the absolute value of u minus a. This one is about 1 over 16u. This one is about negative 1 over 128 ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. A minus A cancel. And we have 2 ln of the absolute value of x. Number 2 divide 128. We will have 1 over 64. This is the end. Thank you for watching.